In this video, I'm going to show you how to download EvoFox Phantom 2 software. Now, the first thing you want to do here on their official website, you want to go to the search box up top right, and you want to type in Phantom 2. Now, when you do that, it's going to find the EvoFox Phantom 2 gaming mouse. Just click on it. And when you do that, it's going to open up the product page for Phantom 2. You want to scroll down, and then below all these images, you'll be able to see the specifications and then the frequently asked questions. And then below this, there's the important links. And here it says software. You want to click on the download button. And what this will do is it's basically going to download the software. Just open it up when it downloads. And it's going to basically pop up a box here on your computer screen, which is the setup wizard. Click on next first, then next again. Of course, you can select wherever you want to install it. I'm going to leave it as default. Click on next, and then you can create a desktop shortcut or not. I'm just going to do it. Click on next, and then install. And when that's done, you'll be able to see, there we go, that's done. You can just launch it right away by clicking finish, and it's going to open up your software, and then it's going to tell you to actually plug in your USB mouse. And when you do that, you'll be able to see it over here, and then the software will start working for you. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.